Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. One of the first things that catches the eye is the premium build quality of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Unlike its predecessor, it features a titanium frame, elevating the device to a level of sophistication comparable to the top-tier smartphones on the market, such as the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now let's talk about the eyes behind this marvel, the camera system. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts an impressive array, including a staggering 200-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and the game-changing 50-megapixel periscope with 5x optical zoom. This combination promises to take smartphone photography to new heights, offering optical quality zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. Samsung has introduced Galaxy AI, a suite of artificial intelligence-powered features that enhance the core Android experience. From live translating voice calls to circling objects in photos and videos for instant Google searches, automatic note summarization, and powerful AI-driven photo editing, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a device, it's a smart companion that understands and anticipates your needs. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a powerhouse of innovation, featuring a premium build, groundbreaking camera capabilities, and a suite of AI-driven enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.